Hi, I'm Jim Witham, CEO of GaN Systems, and I'm here in San Antonio at APEC 2018. I'd like to show you some of our new products in our GaN transistor lineup and also talk about some of the use cases of those gallium nitride transistors. We're announcing two products at the show here. One is our 100 volt, 120 amp product. It's the highest power GaN transistor yet available today. We've taken a part that it's a very popular part in automotive applications, in solar applications, and in data center applications, our 90 amp part, and we've been able to put it in the exact same package and give people 30 more amps of power and 2 milliohms less of resistance. We're also announcing our 650 volt 120 amp part. This is big news because you can really drive up the powers now of a GaN system. We're talking about traction inverters that could do 100, 150 kilowatts. We've taken those devices and packaged them in power transistor packages, one device and two devices in parallel to be able to do 240 amps with GaN transistors. Now, how are people using these devices? Well, this 650 volt device is typically used in very high power applications like automobiles and heavy industrial equipment. We didn't bring any of those to the booth with us today. But some of the 100 volt parts and the 650 volt lower current parts are used in data center power supplies. Here's an example of a silicon power supply, an AC to DC converter with 2 kilowatts of power capability. Our customer has taken and redesigned this with GaN transistors and been able to get 3 kilowatts into the same space. That means you can have less power supplies in a rack, more servers in the rack, and so more terabytes per square meter through the rack that you own, and a data center guy can have more revenue out of his existing assets. This power supply here is also more efficient. 1/4 the power losses of the silicon power supply. Energy is the biggest cost item in a data center operation. So by saving energy, we save money. Total cost of ownership, it's what data center operators are worried about, and GaN delivers. So there are new products here at APEC. A couple of the use cases where those transistors are used. Be back with us next year and expect more new and exciting things from GaN Systems.